Today is Chapter 2, Lesson 4. Have fun with math.
Hello, kindergartners. We're working on Chapter 2, Lesson 4 on page 73. You're going to need your connecting cubes, so go ahead and get them out and get them ready for this lesson. This first page, it says, these are Brandon's toy cars. How many toy cars does Brandon have? Well, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, Brandon has 4 toy cars. Jay has a number of toy cars that is less than the number of toy cars Brandon has. Use cubes to show how many toy cars Jay has. Okay, so we know these are Brandon's and he has 4. But Jay has less than 4. What numbers are less than 4? Yeah, so let's see. We can use, so if I put all 4, so we know he doesn't have 4. So I could take 1 away. How many is that? 3. 3 is less than 4. Good. What about that? What number is that? 1, 2. 2 is less than 4. How about that? 1. 1 is less than 4. So Jay could have 1 car, because it doesn't say 1 less, it just says he has less than. Jay could have 2, or Jay could have 3. But we know Jay cannot have 4 because he does not have the same. So I think I want Jay to have 2 cars. So 1, 2, I'm going to make 2 cars. I'm just going to make square cars with wheels on them. So you can make 1 car, 2 cars, or 3 cars. You can color them, you can make them fancy. I just made 2 cars to show that Jay has less than Brandon. All right, next page. What number is this? If you're not sure, let's count. 1, 2, 3. Yes, around a tree and around a tree. That makes the number 3. In number 2 and number 3, it says make a cube train that has a number of cubes greater than 3. Draw the cube train and write the number. So you have to make a cube train that's greater than 3. Now I can tell you, you don't want to make one that goes off the page because it just won't fit. So we want to be able to draw it. So it has to be greater than 3, but it still has to fit. So we know here's 3. There's my 3. 1, 2, 3. But it has to be greater than or bigger than. So I'm just going to add another one. That's greater than 3. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is greater than 3. Down and across and down some more. That makes the number 4. And then I'm going to trace my cube train. Just so we know that that's greater than, bigger than this one. So now I need another cube train that's greater than 3. Can you figure that out for me? Make a cube train that's greater than 3, but different than 4. Write the number here and trace your train. Take a picture and send it to me. On this page, we're going to count and write the number and then make cube trains that are less than this number. This page we did greater than. Over here I want less than. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Across, down, and around. That's 5 that I found. So just like the page with Brandon's cars, make a cube train, 2 cube trains that are less than 5. So here's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I don't want it the same. I want it less than. Ooh, I'm going to take one off. Here, look, it's smaller. It's less. 1, 2, 3, 4. down and across, and down some more. That makes the number 4. Hey, look, I did 4 on each side. I did 4 was greater than 3, but 4 is less than 5. So make another cube train for me that is less than 5 and write it here. Take a picture and send it to me. On our mouse paper, Kendall has a set of 3 pencils. Her friend has a set with the same number of pencils. Draw to show the sets of pencils. Compare the sets. Compare the sets by matching. How many are in each set? Okay, so let's break this down. We're going to go one sentence at a time. Kendall has a set of 3 pencils. So let's make Kendall's pencils up here. And I'm just going to draw counters for her pencils. 1, 2, 3. Around a tree and around a tree. That makes the number 3. Her friend has the same number of pencils. What number is the same as 3? Yes, 3 is the same as 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's make sure they're the same. We're going to connect them. Yes, they're the same. Around a tree and around a tree. That makes the number 3. Down here, number 8, draw to show what you know about matching to compare 2 sets of objects. Right? How many are in each set? So you can make the same number. You can make a number greater and a number less than. And then you're going to tell someone in your family what you made. So you might want to make 3 race cars and 3 more race cars. And then you're making the same. Or maybe you want to make 2 turtles and 5 stars. And then you have one that's greater than, one that's less than. You get to be creative and make it yourself. Okay, 2 more pages to go. Over here, number 1. How many cubes are there? Write the number. Model a cube train. Remember, when we make a model, we build it. Model a cube train that has a number of cubes that is greater than this number. Greater than. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we write the number. Down and across and down some more. That makes the number 4. Make a cube train for me that is greater than, remember, grande, bigger, greater than 4. Trace it here and write the number. So I want one that's greater than. Down in number 2, how many cubes are there? 1, 2, 3. Around a tree and around a tree. That makes the number 3. Model, that means make. Model a cube train that has a number of cubes less than 3. So down here, put some cubes together and make it less than 3 and write the number. Take a picture of this page and send it to me. All right, here's our lesson check. How many cube trains? Write the number. Model or make a cube train that has a number of cubes greater than this one. So how many are here? 1, 2, 3. Around a tree and around a tree. That makes the number 3. Make a cube train that is greater and write the number. Trace the number, color in that many squares. Trace the number, color in that many squares. All right, have fun with math.